Promethean School. In desperate need of some updated technology. Can the people of Promethean help them on their quest to provide a better education? Find out on
Promethean Grant 2018.
The year is 2006. The school has just opened and brought with it a series of interactive whiteboards. The problem is, they still have those same whiteboards.
Mr. Carter, why do we still have these old whiteboards when other schools have touchscreen ones?
Because upgrading all of the technology in school is expensive. Now, get better at maths so we can figure out how to afford one of those fancy ActivPanels, okay?
Aha! I've found a way! There's this thing called the Promethean Grant. You submit a video of why you need a new ActivPanel and how it would benefit your school. And, hey, presto, you can win one!
Nah, that can't be right. What extra nonsense do they want me to sign up for? I bet they want one of my kidneys or something.
No, it's really that simple.
Oh, let's have a go at it then.
Our school, Ingleby Mill Primary, is an enormous facility with over 600 students. We love to use technology when we can, but the problem is we have a lot of computers and equipment that are starting to become really old. I mean, just look at what happens when one of our teachers tried to log into the school network when it was at peak time. As you know, upgrading everything costs lots of money, and deciding where that money should go is never easy. But should you choose us for a new ActivPanel, you would be helping to make that decision a lot easier. We've already have to replace some of our old boards and projectors, and that means taking away money from technology like iPads, desktops and printers, the basics which every school should have. We also have a class teacher who loves technology. He can't wait to show us the new app or program that he found, and he's always wanting to film us. He takes authenticity to a whole new level. With the shiny new interactive panel, Mr. Carter would endeavour to find even more apps and programs that work perfectly with these touchscreen boards. Also, it would take away the need for using those silly pens. Mr. Carter often wanders off with them in his pocket, and other teachers can't find it.
Right then, boys and girls. Now today's lesson, just did the white. Where's the whiteboard pen?
Mr. Carter's probably got it in his pocket again.
Right, I'm going to speak to that Mr. Carter. Mr. Carter, have you got the whiteboard pen?
Oh, yeah, there it is. Oh.
Worse than that, the nibs fall out, and we can't find them either. So, what would an ActivPanel do for our school then? Firstly, it would help to update one of the many aging technologies in the school. I mean, come on, do you really expect me to write with a pen this day and age?
You will be providing the children of the school to view the resources on screen with a much higher quality. Sometimes we can't even make out what's on the board.
Right, class, today we are going to be looking at Van Gogh's Starry Night. Now, look at the incredible colours, the detail in the picture. Jennifer, what do you think about it?
It kind of looks a bit like a potato to me.
What do you mean? Looks like a potato. Look at the colours in it, look at the blues. Look at this boat here, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Yuvraj, what do you think about it?
Yeah, I agree with Jennifer. It kind of looks like potatoes for me.
A potato? Look, Look at it! Look at the colour of it! It's taken him ages to do this picture and you think it's a potato? All of you seeing this as a potato?
Yeah!
Guess it does kind of look a bit like a potato, doesn't it?
Also, you'll be providing us with a bigger tool of engagement, knowing we could come and physically manipulate things with just our fingertips.
This board will provide inspiration for doing the school with other similar technology.
Mr. Carter, whoa! You've got one of those fancy active panels. We don't have one of them. Oh, I'm talking to Mrs. Hamlet. Look, Mrs. Hamlet, they've got one of those fancy active panels. Why don't we have one?
Oh, right, I'll order us one then.
It would also mean that our school will be leading the field in technology and promoting your brand to do it with.
On top of all that, you'd be helping us to spread the cost of updating technology around the school, allowing us to invest in some of the basics that the school desperately needs.
Quieten down, please. I'm trying to work really hard here.
Mr. Carter, what are you doing?
I'm writing your worksheet out because the printer's broken again. I'm this close to getting a tablet.
A tablet? You mean an iPad?
No, not an iPad. They're even more unreliable. I mean, I'm asking Mrs. Humphrey to get a wax tablet.
Can't beat the good old days.
As you can see, the impact of one of these panels will be immense, and it will be used every day to great effect. We know there will be many great entries, but we hope you can consider our submission for the competition and help improve the education that is on offer at our school. Thank you for your time, and we hope you have a great day.